I'm Longster 1970. Today I'm going to be replacing the passenger side right rear hub bearing assembly on this 2015 Toyota RAV4. Going to be installing this Moog hub assembly. Part number is 512374. Picked this up from Advanced Auto. This is what the replacement looks like. First thing I'm going to do is remove the cover. I'm going to do it this way. Maybe. Oh. 20 fits. Tire off. Move that out of the way. I'm using a center punch. Drive down in here. Hopefully get in underneath that. .30mm socket. That gun should have enough balls to get that off. There we go. These shouldn't be that tight. .17mm with a 1/2" drive socket or ratchet. And then there are 4 bolts back in here. They are 14mm, 3/8 socket with a 3/8 swivel and a 3/8 to 1/2" adapter. I'm going to get my hub puller, and I should be able to just get on that and give her a yank, and hopefully it pops right out. Okay, with any luck, any luck here, we're going to be able to just pop this out. Oh, well that's not good. Just pulled the hub off. Was not supposed to do that. Let's try this again. I put 2 bolts in there. I think were from some old head bolts that I had, and we'll see if I can pull it out. Wow, that's it. That bugger was tight. Okay, I'm putting a little bit of Never Seas on here. And like I said, the flat part should go towards the bottom. Or the flat part does go towards the bottom. Sure everything's clear. It should be lined up. I'm going to get a little bit of Loctite, put on these bolts. The bottom one over here. 66 foot-pounds. 1. That's 2. That's 3. That's it. And it should be all 4 of them. Speed sensor. Rotor. 2 bolts hold that on. Caliper mounting bracket bolts, 65 foot-pounds. 14, 20 foot-pounds. There's one. Two. Okay, I'm gonna slide the rear wheel up on. There we go. Lower back down. Torque the lug nuts to 76 foot-pounds. Okay, the rear axle nut torque is 159 foot-pounds. There you go. See if I'm going to use this punch. I don't think that's going anywhere. That's good. That'll do it for replacing the passenger side rear hub and bearing assembly on this 2015 Toyota RAV4. I hope you like this video. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and stay safe.